Hello guys, and welcome back to another Rubik's Cube tutorial. And in this episode, we are going to be doing the very third layer of the Rubik's Cube. Now, I already have it solved right here, but I'm going to quickly mix it up. And then I'm going to show you how to solve the third layer. So, if you saw my last video on how to solve the first two layers, then you should know how to solve them. And just to make sure that you do, just kind of make sure you do a quick little solve, just to make sure you understand the Rubik's Cube and make sure you understand how to solve the first two layers. And if you don't, then I'll give you a quick rundown right here on how to solve it, or the first two layers. So you want to find a white edge, and then you want to somehow get in the bottom layer, connect it up with this, get it up here, it's connected and connected. Right here, this one, it's already connected, just bring it up. This one right here, it's in the top layer, you get it to the bottom layer, twist it, bring that one back up, and then now you have these connected. Then you need to find the last one, put it in that layer, twist this back. So now here's the last one right here. I think I accidentally, I was trying to go like this, then you have to turn the cube like this, and then like this, and now you have the cross done. They're all connected. And then to do the white corners, place them in between the two sides like this, and insert them in, and it should look like that. Find another one, put it between its two sides. This is blue and red. Twist it once, twist it back so it doesn't get messed up. Oops, wrong color. I messed up. I'm an idiot. And then it's put in. If you don't have one that's in the optimal position, then just spin it like that. Like if it was in that position that was just in, then you just spin the cube down to get it out of that position. If it's on the bottom, put it back, spin it twice, then just put it like that. And now, after you've done that, then you just want to quickly put in these corners, turn it to the opposite side, replace it, then you place in the edge, find another one, like that, twist it away, bring that down, replace this edge back in. You have this one, which is right here, twist it away, bring that side down. And then this one, it's blue and red, twist it away. And now you should be at this. So if you are, now you should either have one of four patterns. If you have a dot, then you're going to do this algorithm. Or well, okay, so let me just try this. Okay, so I happened to get the L, and if you have just this dot, but it doesn't have, it's not this, the straight line or the full cross, just a dot, do this algorithm with yellow on top. So whichever side is facing you, mine is the blue side. So it's going to be front, right, up, right inverted, front, or up inverted, and then front inverted. And now if you had the dot, then you're gonna have this L, and what you do is you hold it so one of the legs is facing towards you, then you have the middle, then the other one is facing to the right. Then you do the same algorithm, like, wait, I just completely messed that up, dang. I do. Oh gosh, I messed this up. Oh my gosh, what'd I do to this poor thing? Okay, okay, it's back to the way it was. I don't know what I did. So you see we're at the dot right here. It may look like this. It may just have this, maybe like this, and maybe a huge X. But so you're gonna do front, right, up. So show you again. So this is facing to the top, but this is technically facing to the top right now because I'm showing you guys. So with the dot in any position, doesn't matter. Front, which is front clockwise, right clockwise, up clockwise, then then right inverted, up inverted, and front inverted. So now you preserve this, but now you see you have this L shaped and it looks like this. So with this L, you need one facing towards you, and then one facing to the right. And then you're going to do the same algorithm, front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, and then front. Still, we preserve this. But now we have this straight line. Now this is one where you can hold it on either side, but the line has to be horizontal. Then you do the same algorithm, front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. Now your cube should be something like this on the top. So now what you need to do is you need to align these edges. So what you want to do is you want to spin around to see, so these two are correct. You spin it. This one is correct, but none of the other ones are. This one's correct, but none of them are. So if they're at right angles to each other, like this, then you want to put it so that one of the wrong sides are facing towards you and one is facing to the right. Then you want to do this algorithm. Right, up to, right inverted, up inverted, right, up inverted, right inverted. Then you want to spin the top. And now, as you can see, I have the yellow side done, but these aren't aligned. So you're like, oh, I just solved it. You're like, nope. So now it should have aligned. But let's say they were like this. They were one this way and one on the back. You want to do that one facing you and that one facing you, and do the same algorithm. Right, up to, right inverted, up inverted, right, up inverted, right. And then, see, I just did that. Makes my cube back to this. And then you just want to do right, up, inverted like this. And then once it's up here, you take it back. Then you spin it. It should be like that. Now you have the cross. And now if you look at most of these corners, they'll be like way out of whack of where they are. Like this one isn't between any of the right colors. This one isn't. This one is. And then this one isn't. So with the one that's correct on the bottom right, what you do, or this, you do this algorithm. Left inverted, up, right, up inverted, left, up, right inverted, then up inverted. Now you can see that one of the corners is correct, and we've also aligned these 3 corners. So now, this is probably the longest algorithm to do, but with yellow facing up and it in the top left, you do right, up 2, right inverted, up inverted, right, up inverted, right inverted, then not changing anything, left inverted, up 2, left, up, left inverted, up, left. And okay, so there's one of 3 ways that your cube might look right now. They can be diagonal, and these are still in the correct places. They might be like this, with yellow like this, and then these 2 colors are correct. Or it might be yellow like this, and then these 2 colors are correct. And if yellow's like this and this, then you need to perform that algorithm 2 more times like this. If it's already like this, then perform it once. And if it's like this, then you need to hold it like this. Then you need to do the algorithm again. So right, up 2, right inverted, up inverted, right, up inverted, right inverted. And then you want to do the same thing. Left inverted, up twice, left, up inverted, left inverted. Wait, whoops. It's supposed to be like this. And now, as you can see, if you did it like that, then now you should see that this side is solved, and then these 2 sides, these corners are incorrect. So, if yellow is like this, then you just do that algorithm 1 more time. And it should be solved. But let's say that let's say the yellow's like this and like this instead of it being right here. Then what you do is you do that algorithm again. Right, meh. And then you do that same thing on the other side. And then now the yellows are like this, and you do it 1 more time. So just show you again. Right, up twice, bring the right down, so right inverted, spin the right, or spin the top counterclockwise, bring back up the right, spin the top counterclockwise again, and then you want to do the same thing on the left. So left up, spin the top twice, bring it down. Then you want to spin it clockwise. You want to bring it up. You want to bring this back. Then you want to bring the left down. And hopefully you have solved a Rubik's Cube. Just to prove this. Oh gosh. No tricks. That I have solved all the sides here. Boom, 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 boom. That's all the sides solved. And there's any weird combinations that happen, I'll try and respond to them the best that I can. I tried to show most of them and tell you how to fix them if that's how you did end up having them. But yeah, if I missed any, let me know and I'll tell you how you can fix it. Alright. Next up, I'll probably be showing you some cool patterns for the Rubik's Cube. And like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Alright, stay cubelicious. Bye.